Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we help you take control of your finances and live your best life. If you've been feeling stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle, you're not alone. Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans report having less than $1,000 in savings? Today, we're talking about how to break free from this cycle once and for all. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building real financial security. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand your spending habits. The first step to breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle is understanding your spending habits. Most people don't realize where their money goes each month, and that's a big part of the problem. Here's what you do. Review your last 3 months of bank statements or credit card bills. Categorize your spending into essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries, and non-essentials like dining out, shopping, or subscriptions. Trust me, this step is eye-opening. Step 2. Create a realistic budget. Next, it's time to create a budget that actually works for you. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for needs, like rent and bills. 30% for wants, like entertainment and dining out. 20% for savings or debt repayment. If your expenses don't fit this formula right now, don't stress. The goal is to start where you are and make gradual adjustments over time. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. This step is critical. Without an emergency fund, even a small unexpected expense, like a car repair, can throw your budget into chaos. Start by setting a goal to save $500 to $1,000 as quickly as possible. You don't need to save it all at once. Set aside a little from each paycheck, $10, $20, whatever you can afford. The key is consistency. Even small steps add up over time. Step 4. Reduce your expenses. Now let's talk about cutting expenses. Look at your non-essential spending and ask yourself, what can I live without, or reduce, for now? For example, canceling a $15 monthly subscription, or eating out one less time per week could save you hundreds of dollars a year. These small sacrifices now can give you big financial freedom later. Step 5. Increase your income. If cutting expenses isn't enough, or you want to supercharge your progress, consider increasing your income. This could be anything from picking up a part-time job to starting a side hustle, or selling things you no longer need. Even an extra $200 to $500 a month can make a huge difference in breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle. And who knows? Your side hustle might turn into a full-time passion. Step 6. Pay off high-interest debt. Debt can be one of the biggest reasons people live paycheck to paycheck, especially if you're stuck paying high-interest credit card balances. Focus on paying off these debts as quickly as you can. Start with either the debt snowball method, paying off the smallest debt first, or the debt avalanche method, focusing on high-interest debt first. Both work, the best one is the one you'll stick to. Step 7. Automate your savings. Here's a pro tip. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to a savings account every time you get paid. That way, you'll save money without even thinking about it. Even if it's just $50 per paycheck, you'll be surprised how quickly it adds up. Remember, paying yourself first is one of the most important financial habits you can develop. And there you have it, 7 steps to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about taking small, consistent steps that add up over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to hear in the comments, which step are you going to start working on today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's take control of our finances together.